Coca Cola. Well, what came to your mind? Or rather, which one came to your mind? Let's start here. How many Cokes are there? Classic Coca Cola, the original Coca Cola with its sweet and refreshing taste. Coca Cola Zero, a sugar-free version of the classic Coca Cola which maintains the same taste but with 0 calories. Coca Cola Light, a low-calorie version of the classic Coca Cola, ideal for those who want to reduce their sugar intake. Coca Cola Cherry, a variation of the classic Coca Cola with a touch of cherry flavor. Coca Cola Vanilla, a version of the classic Coca Cola with a slight vanilla flavor. Coca Cola Lemon Lime, a variant that combines a flavor of classic Coca Cola with a lemon note. Coca Cola Orange, a variant that combines the taste of classic Coca Cola with the aroma of orange. Coca Cola Life, a version with reduced sugar content, which uses natural sweeteners such as stevia. Coca Cola Ginger, a variant with a touch of ginger flavor. Coca Cola Raspberry, a version with a raspberry flavor added to the classic Coca Cola. Coca Cola Coffee, a variant that combines the taste of classic Coca Cola with a coffee note. Furthermore, we must also consider the special and limited editions of Coca Cola, such as the Christmas versions or those made for specific events. But how is Coca Cola made? Manufacturing Coca Cola involves a complex and highly secured process to ensure product quality and consistency. Although many details are a trade secret, here is a general overview of the manufacturing process. Let's start with the ingredients. Water. Water is one of the main ingredients of Coca-Cola and is used in large quantities. The water used must meet high standards of quality and purity. It undergoes a treatment and purification process to remove impurities and contaminants, thus ensuring the safety of the final product. Sugar. The second main ingredient is sugar, usually in the form of high fructose corn syrup. Sugar contributes to Coca-Cola's sweet taste. However, it's important to note that there are also sugar-free or low-calorie variants that use artificial sweeteners or sugar substitutes. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is what gives Coca-Cola its characteristic fizz. It is added to the drink under controlled pressure during the manufacturing process. Carbon dioxide is usually obtained from industrial sources. Flavors. Natural and artificial flavors are used to give Coca-Cola its distinctive flavor. The exact formula of the flavors is one of the company's best-kept secrets and is only known by a small number of people. Colorants. Colorants are added to give Coca-Cola its distinctive appearance. Usually, caramel coloring is used, which gives the liquid a dark brown color. Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is used to regulate the acidity of Coca-Cola and contribute to its distinctive flavor. The addition of phosphoric acid is tightly controlled to ensure the drink has the proper balance of taste. Mixing. Liquid ingredients are mixed in large containers called reactors. The water is treated and purified to ensure it meets the required quality standards. Carbonation. Carbon dioxide is added to the liquid to give the drink its characteristic effervescence. This is done under controlled pressure to ensure the drink has just the right amount of bubbles. Pasteurization. The liquid undergoes a pasteurization process to eliminate any bacteria or contaminants present. This step is important to ensure food safety and product shelf life. Let's move on to the filtering. Filtration is done to remove any unwanted particles, impurities, or sediment present in the liquid. This contributes to obtaining a clear, transparent Coca-Cola free from visible substances. Filters used. Different types of filters are used during the manufacturing process. Usually, membrane filters are used, which are capable of retaining very small particles. These filters can be made from materials such as cellulose, polyester, or other suitable filler materials. Multi-stage filtration. Often, filtration is done in multiple stages or stages to achieve optimum cleaning. In this way, the residues suspended in the liquid are gradually removed, improving the final quality of the Coca-Cola. Filtering process. During the filtering process, Coca-Cola passes through the filter system. The liquid is forced through the pores of the filter, which traps unwanted particles and only lets the clear liquid through. Quality control. During the filtering process, quality checks are performed to ensure the effectiveness of the filtering. This may include visual tests, chemical analysis, or instrumental checks to verify that the product meets the required standards of purity. Safety and hygiene. Filtration not only aims to obtain a pleasant visual appearance, but also to guarantee the safety and hygiene of the product. By removing potentially unwanted particles or impurities, the risks of microbiological or quality contamination are reduced. After filtering, Coca Cola is packaged in glass bottles, cans, or plastic bottles, depending on market needs. Labels are then applied and the bottles are packaged for distribution. It is important to note that the production of Coca Cola is highly automated and follows strict quality standards to ensure that every bottle or can has the same taste and drinking experience around the world. Coca Cola is produced in many countries around the world. The Coca Cola Company, the parent company, has an extensive network of globally distributed manufacturing facilities and bottling partners. Some of the major countries where Coca Cola is produced include the United States. As the country of origin of Coca Cola, the United States has numerous manufacturing and bottling facilities spread throughout the country. Mexico. Mexico is an important market for Coca Cola and is home to several manufacturing and bottling plants. Brazil. Brazil is another large market for Coca Cola, and there are numerous manufacturing and bottling plants in the country. China. Due to China's large population, Coca Cola has a strong presence in China with numerous manufacturing and bottling plants located in different regions. India. India is a growing market for Coca Cola and bottling plants in the country. Europe. Coca Cola is produced in various European countries, including the UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and many others. South America. Coca Cola is produced and distributed in several South American countries, including Argentina, Colombia, Venezuela, and many others. Some numbers. Coca Cola has reported soda sales of over 29 billion cases worldwide. Note that a case corresponds to a standardized amount of drink, for example, a can or a bottle. Global presence. Coca Cola is present in more than 200 countries and territories around the world. The brand has an extensive global distribution network, which allows it to reach a large consumer base. Enjoy!